During the holidays, you may be craving hot chocolate, but I have a better sweet treat for you to make and enjoy. Today I'll be showing you the process behind making a peppermint Christmas milkshake. You will need peppermint thin Oreos, whole milk, mint chip ice cream, candy canes, chocolate syrup, a blender, a Ziploc bag, and a spoon. First, you're going to measure out 3 scoops of mint chip ice cream. After that, you will need to measure out 1/2 cup of whole milk and add that to the blender. Finally, add 3 peppermint thin Oreos and then blend until smooth. Now to decorate the glass. The first step to decorating your glass will be to add the candy canes into a Ziploc bag. Make sure you seal the bag and then begin to crush the candy canes with the back of your spoon. Apply enough pressure to be able to grind up the candy canes. Place the grinded up candy canes onto a plate. To add the candy canes to the rim of the glass, you will need to dip the rim into water and then into the grinded up candy canes. The next step in decorating the cup is adding the chocolate syrup to the sides of the cup. Holding the glass on the side angle and begin to drizzle the chocolate syrup into whatever pattern you desire. The final step is to add the milkshake into the glass. And there you've made yourself a delicious Christmas spirited peppermint Oreo milkshake, decorated and ready for the holidays. I hope you enjoy.